Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Diaspol and thank you so much for all your likes, comments, share and subscribe my channel. If you are a new viewer, definitely go to our channel, watch all these videos, and if you're liking it, then definitely you can hit this subscribe button and don't forget to hit this bell icon so that whenever I upload a video, you get a notification. Alright, and for the ones who want additional services, you can always WhatsApp 7892652489 is a WhatsApp. Only WhatsApp option is there, no calling option. And for the ones who wants to be part of my secret Telegram channel, you can check the about section, or else in the video description you can watch and be part of my secret Telegram channel only for learning purpose only. So without wasting time, let's start off with today's topic. Alright, so today's topic is about price action trading. So a lot of people in the video which I asked for topics, so a lot of people had put this comment on price action trading. What is price action trading and how can we do price action trading, and what are the different ways of methods and strategies. So I thought I will start off the price action trading series, and we have already discussed about a lot of price action. So for example, I'll just show you guys. So if you have not yet watched that video, you can just go to my playlist like this. Okay, so I have a lot of playlists like beginners guide, options trading series, intraday tricks and all that. In this you can go to technical analysis concept. So I have something like technical indicators. Okay, so remember this is technical analysis concept. So you can just go to this particular one. Let me pause this. So you see I have spoken about NR7 concept, or let's say I have talked about double top. I have talked about head and shoulders pattern, support and resistance, how to draw trend lines, and hike and and all that. So I've already spoken about these type of patterns which come under our price action trading. Okay, those are part of this price action trading, just that we have not named it. So because a lot of people don't understand, don't know to classify what we are learning. Maybe remember we do technical indicators, for example stochastic we used to do, right? Or let's say RSI we use. So it's a technical indicator. Same way price action trading will use all technical tools to do trading, just that we didn't name it specially. But still, just to make a lot of beginners who don't know about this, I will tell you what is the logic, and also I'll tell you how to use it, and later we will discuss about all the different methods. So like I told, this is part of technical analysis. Okay, like I told before also, I have taught you all this, so you can watch those videos for learning more. So this is part of technical analysis, the price action trading, whatever we are going to learn. So in this particular thing, mostly they will not use this technical indicators. They don't use this. Okay, technical indicators are part of technical analysis, like let's say RSI, super trend, right, and stochastic recently what we spoke, and MACD, whichever. We are not going to use that in price action trading. What do we use? We use technical tools, which is part of technical analysis. What are the tools in technical analysis? This is also one of the tool which we will not use much, but what we use is a candle, okay, candlestick pattern, and let's say trend lines. I've already shown you the video in playlist, so how to draw a trend line, and you can watch that video to get an idea. And price patterns, okay, maybe I've shown you double top, right, double top video, triple top video, or let's say head and shoulders, okay, these type of concepts. So it use price patterns, trend lines, candlestick, and also support and resistance. Now basically creating your support and resistance and waiting for a breakout. Okay, take a position here. This is what they utilize like that. So this is a rough understanding what a price action trader use mostly. More than this, he uses this. All right, now let's go into practical and see how it looks like. Okay, so now let's say this is a chart of Nifty, right? Yeah, so Nifty 50 chart. So now basically this is the candlestick. Now what is this price action trading? Basically called the price action. You see, this is a price. Okay, this candlestick is moving based on price. Remember, you should give candlestick here. Okay, you cannot give Heikin-Ashi, because Heikin-Ashi will be wrong, because it is a average. This is the real time movement of the price. So click on candle. So today you see how the candle has moved. So the price has moved from this point to this point, and this was the lowest point, this was the close point. Okay, so this was the open point. So this is telling a story. See, just like if you look at the sky, okay, so we have so many stars in the sky. Now we see the stars and we say there is a formation of a car, we say there is a formation of a dog, we keep telling, right? Same way this price also creates movement, action. So what is the action? See, the action is this. It has moved like this. This is the action of the price. Now utilizing this price action and trying to derive something out of it. How? By drawing trend lines. Now for example, you would have already seen me teaching about trend lines, but I'll just tell you a normal idea. So for example, in today Telegram channel also, I was just telling my students or my members that the market is moving sideways. Now let's say, let me put 3 minutes or 5 minutes. So overall, if you see, the market is almost going sideways. So if it is creating a down range like this, and let's say a top range somewhere like this, right? So it is going sideways. So how did I know? Just by drawing certain line, maybe a trend line. Okay, I can draw a trend line like this, I can draw a trend line like this, I can draw a trend line like this. Okay, I can draw a trend line like this. So by drawing certain lines, I will get to know, because the more number of points where the line touches, it creates a type of resistance and support. Now only when this breaks, I will sell, and let's say this strong area next, when it breaks, I will buy, or I will decide the market is going up or down. But today the market was sideways. Okay, so the advantage was less in most of the stocks. So like that they will do. Or else, let's say by going with candlestick. So if you go like 1 day candlestick or something like this, so traders take an advantage. Now let's take any random stock like Tata Motors or something. Now, so now you see, this is the movement of the stocks on a daily basis. Now what traders do, for example, today they would have gone for a breakout of yesterday's low here, take a position here. Let's say you booked a 0.3% over here, or 0.5 or 1-2% over here. All right, so this is how. Or else they would have gone for this particular breakout on any particular bullish stock. So this is how you take advantage of the price, previous movement of the price. We try to judge, and based on that we create a line, or we decide a pattern, a double top or head and shoulders. Based on that we will draw support and resistance, and then we try to take advantage on a breakout. That will define us the profit or the stop loss or target. All that will be defined. So just like your car patterns in the sky and dog patterns in the sky, there are a lot of people who have named this price patterns, okay, like head and shoulders, double top, triple top, and all those. So let's say we got a doji candle or something like this. We have named it, and we have named certain logic to it. That we will discuss in the coming videos. There are so many patterns which I have learned in my MBA module. So I will try to share with you one by one, by understanding the logic of those patterns, how the targets are decided, how the stop losses are decided, and all that we will discuss, because there are so many contents. But as of now, just remember, we are trying to take advantage of the price movements. Now I'm not going to apply any indicators or such for this. These type of traders use only these price movements, and whenever there is a breakout, they try to take an advantage of that particular stock. Now if you ask me, do this help in intraday or delivery trades? I would say most of the price action traders are delivery. So they take a position and they wait for a breakout. As soon as a breakout happens, they enter into a long position or short position in futures, and they try to take advantage based on their strategy. But if you ask in intraday, yes, they still use in intraday. But if you ask me, as my personal experience, we utilize everything. We use the price action, we use a technical indicator, and we use all the logic. So we apply everything. In my style of trading, I apply all these factors. But there are few traders only use only price actions. Few traders only use technical indicators. Okay, so that's the reason I just told you. But anyways, as part of my duty, it was my duty to tell the meaning of this price action to my audience who don't know about this. A lot of new people are there, so I'm telling you the meaning. So from tomorrow onwards, whenever I do a video on any, let's say I'm doing a video on triple top, so I will tell this is a price action pattern which we will be using, and how traders take an advantage. I'll be explaining that. You should understand this comes under price action bucket. All right. So like this, it is one of the good way to take advantage of the market. Now if you ask me how do we make money, yes, it will help you in making money, because you start monitoring and you don't take position here and there. You look into your levels, you look into your chart, and then you take advantage breakout along with other traders. Now if you ask me, okay, everybody will take an advantage here, or everybody will take a sell over here, right? Everybody could have done a sell in this resistance point, then everybody will make money. No, remember, if everybody is selling that, there are chances a big player can come and do a buy over here at this particular point, because there are so many sellers. Same way, for example, here you are trying to sell, there is a player who wants to buy over here, he bought it, and it can go opposite. So big players can take advantage of small retailers over here. So be very careful. Just like our indicators, even these price action patterns will fail when it comes to psychology of people. That is the reason in intraday, if you see, the accuracy is comparatively lesser in terms of indicators and price action also. The accuracy is lesser, but in terms of short term trading or swing trading, you will get more advantage by using all these patterns or technical analysis, because technical analysis is meant for short term trading or positional trading. All right, but in intraday trading we apply indicators, we apply price actions, we apply logics. So therefore at least we are avoiding more risk by using these to decide only. All right, so this is more about price action trading, and I will be sharing many other patterns. There are so many patterns, I will share one by one, so you should have a little bit patience to go learn all those. So we will learn one by one, and that will definitely help us in our trading journey. So thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you guys got an idea about what is price action. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.